welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna give you guys an Instagram baddie type of look. So I'm first gonna be starting off concealing my eyelids, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime / conceal the eyelids. So shout out to my friend for buying me these brushes. These are the brushes I'm going to be using in today's video, and I absolutely just love them so much. They work so good. So I'm going to go in with burnt orange, and I'm just going to use that as a base to begin with, and then I'm going to go in after with a different color and use that in the crease / the center of the Now going in with my orange color, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the outer corner just because I want to give the illusion that my eyelids are bigger than what they really are, because I do have hooded eyelids and I do have really small eyes. So now going in with the darker brown color, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the outer corner again because I want to smoke it out and just make it a little bit more darker just so you guys can see it more. On camera it doesn't really show that it's coming up it's like a purplish type of color in real life, but on camera it doesn't really show justice that well. But trust me guys, it turned out really nice. So going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn again, I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of the eyelids, and I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease, guys. This is my first one, so let's just watch how Chagi does this now. So yes, I am struggling to put that on, but you know what? It's gonna turn out well. Just keep watching. Going in with my Fenty Beauty palette, I'm gonna use the gold shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on top of the concealer that I just put on, just because I want to make this like a gold color. So now I'm going in with the more of a rose gold color type of eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that on top just because the other one was very sheer, so I wanted this to stand out more. So now I'm going to go ahead and use that brown color and that orange color. I'm going to go and put that in the end of the crease just to enhance the eye look more. Y'all, we're all learning here, so I thought I did a good job. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Gel Liner. And guys, y'all know that I cannot put on eyeliner to save my life on camera. But you know what? I attempted it today, and I also even tried to do a wing. Watch what I do, because this is the first time I've done it on camera, and it turned out nice, in my opinion. I thought it did. So just keep on watching, y'all. This tutorial is coming along. And I was so scared doing this part. The only thing that's running through my mind is, Chagi, don't mess up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't keep. Oh, there we go. We did it, guys. We did wing liner on camera without messing up that bad. And I also went ahead and put on my eyelashes. So now we have to cover up all the blemishes, guys, and we're going to be using the Mary Kay foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me. I mix those two together up just because I feel like this is my color. If I use one, it's too dark. If I use the other, it's too light. So mixing both of them up together. And I'm just going to apply that on my face. And yes, guys, I'm aware that I put on way too much foundation in this video, but you know what? It's going to turn out nice. So let's all just relax and calm down. So now using Fawn and Toast, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm going in with Fawn first. Well, no, I'm actually going in with Toast first, and then I'm going to go in with Fawn on top. It doesn't really make a difference, but you know what? I'm still going to tell you guys. So now I'm using a damp cosmetic wedge and I'm gonna just blend that out. Yes, girl, just blend, blend, blend till it looks like your skin color. That highlight is popping. So y'all know I have to contour my face now, and I'm gonna be using my Anastasia palette, and it's basically done, but I'm not giving it up yet. Like, no, we're gonna finish it all until y'all can't see no more product. I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks first, and I'll do a little bit of my nose too. But I have a very circular face. Oh, and I'm also gonna be using this MAC lipstick, guys. This is the chocolate MAC lipstick. Picked it up from TJ Maxx, girl, and I'm about to use that to contour because this is the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. Please, if you're my color and if you see this, use it because it really does work wonders. So this is looking a bit harsh right now, but don't worry guys, just keep blending it out because in the end, we're gonna slay this look, okay? It doesn't look too well right now, but this powder is what's gonna do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my face, like all over, basically, because I have a very oily face and I should probably do a skincare routine soon, but I don't really have one yet, so stay tuned for that. So now we're doing my favorite part and we're gonna highlight the nose first and the upper lip, the cheeks, the forehead, and the chin. Can't forget that. I am getting so excited for this because this brush really did it for me. This BH Cosmetic brush. Guys, don't forget to check the description box below because I'm gonna start listing all the products below so you guys can know exactly what shade and what brush and what color I'm using. Check that out if you guys are curious. Onto the lips now. So we're first gonna be lining the lips using my black brown pencil. And guys, this lip product smells so good. Don't really know the name of this lipstick, or yeah, lip gloss slash lipstick. I got it from the beauty supply store, and it was only like $1.99. So I'm so happy, and I'm also just gonna dap 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 some highlight on my collarbone because y'all know that those collarbones gotta be popping, they gotta be popping like my highlight be popping though. Now we are done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this Instagram baddie look. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Y'all can see the little thing right there. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Got a little thirsty, so you know how to drink a little bit of some, showing off my highlight, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!